Question 5. The points on the graph represent a numerical pattern. So if you look at the pattern, literally if you draw your table, it's a lot easier to see the pattern once you've labeled your ordered pairs. So you have 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. So automatically I'm going to apply my additive or my multiplicative rule, because that's the only two rules that you use in 5th grade. So if I do 1 times 5 is 5, that'll work, but 2 times 5 is not 10, is 10, not 6. 3 times 5 is 15, so that does not work. So we know that the multiplicative rule is out. So then we would have to do a 4, an additive rule, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. That definitely works. So that we're going to be looking for an answer that tells us something to the fact that it is a plus 4 rule. The first one says the multiplicative pattern. It's multiplicative because it has a y coordinate which is higher than the x. Well, we know that they're not multiplicative, so that knocks out A and B. C says it's an additive pattern because the y coordinate has a higher value than the x coordinate. Well, that doesn't necessarily make it the reason why it's an additive. When you multiply, you could also have a larger y than the x. The last one says it's an additive pattern because the x coordinate is increased by 4. Increase would be plus 4. So that applies to our rule that we came up with earlier. The answer is D.